And now here you can see some examples, and you can see the structure of the letter, like downstroke and overturn is equal to letter N. So here is the structure of the letter, and this is the example. So here we are doing overturn, up and down. So upward with light pressure and downward with heavy pressure. So here is the overturn. Again, first we are moving downward, and overturn from here, and again overturn from here. So here is the letter M. So here you can see what I have done. First downstroke and then 2 times overturn. So let's do it again. And now look at the letter G. So for letter G, first we are moving upward from here like this, then downward, then upward, and again downward and upward. Look at the letter G. So first we are moving from here, which is step 1. Step number 2 is here. So here is the step number 2, step number 3, and step number 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And for number 2, from here we are moving upward like this, and from here we are moving downward like this, and from here we are moving with horizontal line like this. So it's bit curvy line, like you can see here. So here is the number 2. Also you can make dot like here. So also you can make here. So from here it's a first step, it's continuous step, and here is the second step. So 1 and 2. And for word brush, our first capital letter is letter B. So here we are writing capital letter B. And from here upward and downward. Connect B and R from here, R and U from here, and H here. So basically we need to learn how to connect the letters.